This shit is so good. It's even better than the last cake. I'm going for a kind of like... Oh, this looks so good. Today we're making a chocolate cake. This is technically my second time making this chocolate cake. I actually made this cake last week and it was such a hit that I've decided to make it again, but I want to make it with a couple of improvements. So I have chocolate. Don't ask me how much chocolate this is. It's just a lot of chocolate. Put like a cube of butter like that. I've got my butter in there with my chocolate, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. This is the chocolate after 30 seconds, so I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 1 more minute. Do my dry ingredients. Oh, I think I've like burnt the chocolate a bit. Stir that one in. Cool. Do you know what? Have that in the back. So next I'm going to do 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate. And I have a really cheap chocolate. I'm just going to do like 2 heaped teaspoons of chocolate powder. Give this a gentle... Oh shit, I forgot the salt. And then 2 pinches of salt. Have a bowl, and in this bowl we're going to do 1/2 cup of caster sugar, almost 1 cup of soft brown sugar. Going to mix up all the sugar together, and then we're going to put in 1 cup of vegetable oil. In it goes. Do a little scrape, and then just give that like a quick mix with the whisk. Let's just give that a quick. I've got 4 eggs. I'm going to use 2 eggs at a time. The last egg. And then with this egg, I'm also going to put in a bit of vanilla extract. I don't actually love this vanilla extract, but I'm using it until it's finished. And you whisk again. Oh, that's absolutely delightful. Now everything else that we're going to do, we're going to mix by hand. So first I'm going to take my melted chocolate that's been sitting on the side, pour that in. I have a tendency to always overmix my batters. So once I've mixed in my eggs, that's usually when I start to change over to hand whisking, and then just prevents me from overmixing. Then I'm gonna add like this much sour cream. Sour cream is supposed to help make your baked goods soft, because this cake was a bit hard last time. Not hard, but like a bit dry. So I want to try and keep it moist by putting in an extra dollop of dairy, and then just gonna hand mix that in. Nice and mix together. I'm now going to put in my dry ingredients. I'm kind of nervous that this is still going to come out a bit dry, but as long as the taste is there, I'm not too fussed. When I was starting out baking, my mantra was always as long as the taste is there, because I think that just takes off a lot of pressure from having your recipes turn out quote unquote perfect, especially as a beginner. It's easy to be put off, and I think that's a good philosophy to maintain. As long as the taste is there. Oh, this looks so good. This looks so good. This looks absolutely delightful. Scrape them down and get in every last bit of flour, because there's always flour trapped in like the different crevices. This looks so chocolatey and so good. I'm so excited for this. Ooh, that looks so good. I want to make sure that everything is well combined and that the flour is nicely in there. So I've got my 2 cake tins. There really is no reason or rhyme. I don't have scales to measure out, / I'm not like a measuring person. Oh, that looks so like moussey. You can't really see, can you? That looks so good. Basically what we're going to do is just tip it out. Basically what we're going to do is dance. This looks absolutely divine. This batter looks so good. There is one thing I've not been able to bake for like 2 years, and that is brownies. But seeing this batter, I do wonder if I could make brownies, because this looks really good. Scrape that off. The better you scrape the bowl, like the more cake there is in the final product. It'll come easily when you feel the beat. Basically what we're gonna do is dance. Perfect. Whichever one is smaller when it comes out of the oven will be the one that goes on the top. It smells really good though. Getting in there. Put that in the oven. Cakes are now in the oven. And I'm going to put my timer on for 30 minutes and 25 minutes. Put my timer on for 30 minutes overall, and then 25 minutes I'm going to check my oven. Nice. Our cakes are out of the oven and they are currently cooling. So while they cool down, we're going to start on the frosting, the same chocolate that we used in the cake. And then in the bowl that we used earlier, put this back in. I'm going to put a bit of butter in there. To be fair, I don't know why I put butter in. Put this in the microwave. Chocolate is melted. Give it a quick stir. And put this to the side. Oh shit, that is running down the outside. Put that to the side, and we're going to make our frosting. I absolutely love baking frosting. It's so good. The last time I made my frosting, I did not have enough frosting in there, so this time I'm going to make sure that I have enough. So first I'm going in with 1 tub of this full fat soft cheese. This is about 300 grams. Next I'm going to put in 1 full container of double cream. This is also 300 ml. Last time I feel like I didn't put enough cream in, so this time going full hog and just emptying all of that in there. I'm going to get some icing sugar. I'm going to do about like half a cup of icing sugar, and then a tiny tipple or 2 2 small tipples into the batter. A tiny bit, like a tablespoon of chocolate powder. We've got ourselves some stiff peaks. Gonna do a quick taste test. That is nice, perfectly sweet. Pour in my chocolate. This feels a lot different to the first time I made this. I'm a bit nervous. Now because the peaks are already kind of stiff, I don't want to overmix. Nice. We're gonna do another taste test just to check. That is nice. Has kind of like an ice creamy thing to it. Now, wow. Then I put my cake tins. I'm going to see which one is the better cake to go on the bottom. That looks good though. I think I might put this one on the top just because it's a bit indented. One. Nice. cake is nice and cool. This one is also a bit indented in the middle, but I'm not too fussed about that. We have some cake. Okay. That actually tastes quite nice. I've got my mixed, kind of, it's like tuna, is that just me? Okay, so now I'm gonna just heat this onto the top. Yeah, this is not, it's completely deflated inside. No! Oh well. I want to bring everything right to the outskirts. I'm not looking for perfection. I also do want the middle of the cake to be super, like, covered in frosting. Like a thick middle bit. Gives it like an ice cream taste. I think that's enough. Then I'm gonna put this on top. But I think I'm gonna put this on top upside down. I'm gonna, well, put that on top like that. I'm going for a kind of like rustic cake vibe. I can feel this cake is deflating in the middle. This. Why is this deflating? This is my cake. I'm now going to put this in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we're going to cut inside. So it's now been 3 hours, so I'm going to take the cake out of the fridge and we're going to see what it's like. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't that look so pretty? I don't think I like stacked it well. That looks beautiful. And obviously, like I always say, photos are a must. It's time to cut. Oh no, the middle. Moment of truth. God, it looks so good. Oh, that tastes so good. I'm gonna actually try the cake. Wow, no, this is really good. Wow. Last time I was saying that the cake was quite dry, but this is very moist. So I think the sour cream really did a good job. The cake is so good. Wow. Very nice. My second time making chocolate cake and it's just so good. Really nice. And it's not too sweet either. Literally so good. Anyway, now I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of my cake. I might even take a cheeky second slice. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Thanks for watching. This is so good. Hey dog! Jim, this shit is so good. It's even better than the last cake. But listen, Jen, whenever you're ready,
I'm not here to.
Dessert's
What you
waiting.
needed?